Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 1C of Piööc, Akeer, Thoŋ, Jiëëŋ. We first said Thoŋ, Jiëëŋ has 33 letters. We talked about Akeer, Dheu, Akeer Yao, Akeer Deng, Akeer Tiet, Akeer Mat, or Akeer Lodge. And we've been focusing on Akeer Dheu. The first one was A, which we covered in the previous lesson. Today's lesson will talk about E and O. As a reminder, Akeer Dheu, Akeer to alunken kenyal kuwache good name. Akeer Dheu I detem A, E, O, He. We've talked about A, we've talked about A. Today's class will do E, O. E, O. E, like A and A, can also have words that have a single E and words that have a double E. So words that have a single E are here on the left, and words that have a double E are here on the right, with the English translation next to them. We'll start with words with the single E. Team, tree. Pin, land. Nyin, I. Che, bee. Apien, wasp. Chit, color. Chin, hand. Achien, curse. Biar is a type of snake. Dheu, doubt. Vil, thick. And words that have a double E. A league, bat. Chim, kiss. Them, filter. Cheer, river. Peer, throwing. Peer, life. Alir, wind. Nin, sleep. Team, trees. So these are the words that have E, single E, and E, double E. First one is take appeal, bill. Take appeal, bill. The woman is peeling a sugarcane. Enche achin ngot. I have cut my hand. Tit up, wait for me. Ket adin tuk, sing for me a song. Yenga cheat dit, who will lead the singing? Alir piath aput bi. A nice breeze is blowing outside. Yongo dir yin. What is worrying you? Ding akat. Ding is running. More examples of words that have E, single E, and double E. Pa i nya. Pin. Pa I nya. Piny. Pa I nya. Piny. Wo nong pinda. Wo nong pinda. Nyuoch ke piny. Nyuoch ke piny. Ba I tha. Ba I tha. Bith. Ba I tha. Ba I tha. Bith. Bith. En muk bith. En muk bith. Wo muk bith. Wo muk bith. Ta I ma. Ta I ma. Team. Ta I ma. Team. Ta I ma. Team. Team e lun. Team e lun. Team a lun. Team a lun. Ba I ta. Ba I ta. Bit. Ba I ta. Ba I ta. Beat. Ba I ta. Beat. Majuk bidithok. Majuk bidithok. Majuk e yathok beat. Majuk e yathok beat. The second letter that we'll cover today is O. O can also have single O and also have words that have a double O in them. For the single O, these words are here on the left, and then the double O, the words are here on the right with the English translation next to them. We'll start with single O. Ko, ko, thorn. Look, look, rat. Torch, torch, swamp. Dum, dum, farm. Thoŋ, thoŋ, egg. Rock, rock, forest. Wrong, wrong, seed. Dheu, dheu, 7. Pull, pull, play. Thuk, thuk, mouth. Lum, lum, to gossip. Tul, tul, smoke. Then words that have a double O. Lodge, lodge, whistle. Chol, chol, chuckle. Lore, lore, welcome. Abort, abort, termite. Abor, abor, floods. And then these are sentences that have O, single O, and O, double O in them. Achintol er tichin match. Achintol er tichin match. There is no smoke without fire. Number 2. Lok ithok, cleanse your mouth. Number 3. Yengu yin alom. Yengu yin alom. Why do you talk behind my back? Or why do you gossip me? Tak inom e kibaloy. Tak inom e kibaloy. Think of what you will do. Number 5. Yang aloj. Yang aloj. Who's whistling? Enchi mama doj. En chi mama doj. I have been sent by mom. Number 7. Piny anong abor. Piny anong abor. The land has floods. Wecha lor wedya. Wecha lor wedya. Greetings to all of you. These are more words that have O. Tha o ka. Tha o ka. Tok. Tok. Tha o ka. Tha o ka. Tok. Tok. Will you tok? Will you tok? En ye jam ni tok gich. En ye jam ni tok gich. Nga o ta. Nga o ta. Ngot. Nga o ta. Ngot. Nga o ta. Nga o ta. Ngot. Ngot. Ngot ke kin ben. Ngot ke kin ben. Koch a ngot wei. Koch a ngot wei. Ba o ra. Ba o ra. Bor. Bor. Ba o ra. Ba o ra. Bor. Bor. Panda. Bor. Panda. Bor. Piny e bor. Piny e bor. Ta o ka. Ta o ka. Tuk or talk. Ta o ka. Talk. Ta o ka. Ta o ka. Talk. Talk. Ayan talk much. Ayan talk much. Ayan a much talk. Ayan a much talk. Thank you very much. See you guys next time. Bye bye.